right, I'm going to show you how the Nuwave works and how you can choose different things. This is the on and off button here, so you're going to press that. And then if you go to the menu and press it, so you got all these other things you could just hit, like a preheat, a preset, warm, blah, blah, blah. But what I usually do is go to the menu, and then it lights up. And we have it set on toast, all right? And for 5 minutes, 420 degrees, and it tells you up here. It's also going to tell you the time. But if I wanted to change it, I could go to broil, and that's at 500 degrees. And then and it's set at 5 minutes. Then I could go to bake, and that's set for 25 minutes at 350, right? I go to roast, which I usually don't do, and it's the exact same thing, same pattern up here. Grill, pizza, they got one just for pizza. There's proofing. Let's say you're doing bread and you want to proof your bread, bam, you can do it right here. Air fry, so you don't need an air fryer because this is an air fryer. Reheat, bam, and you can do different rack levels. We've got it set in the middle right now. You want to do a cookie? Bam, done. Slow cook, look at that, 32. All right, and then there's dehydrate. You can dehydrate stuff. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And then once you pick something, to start it, what you would do is you just press this button, and bam, it goes. All right? And then like this will go for, you can see it's saying toast up here. It's at 425 and it's gonna go for 5 minutes. So right now we've got 4 minutes and 45 seconds left. And it gives you the countdown. It tells you what rack you're on. We're on the 3rd rack. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If I press it again, it stops, but it's still at that level. And then I could press it again and it'll start back up. But if I want to turn it off, I would just come down here, bam, and Bob's your uncle. That's how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.